Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a turkey. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our turkey's head. So our turkey is going to have a round shaped head. So I'm going to start about in the middle of my paper. And draw a big round shape. And I'm going to leave the bottom part open. Okay, next let's draw our turkey's eyes. And I want my turkey to have big oval shaped eyes. And then on the inside, we're going to draw a smaller oval shape. And then on the inside of that, we're going to draw an even smaller circle, and that will be our highlight in his eyes later. Okay, next let's draw his beak. I'm going to draw a line that connects the two eyes. And then I'm going to jump over here to the left side of his eye and draw a line down. And then it's going to curve back up and connect to the other eye. And do two little dots for his nose. And then on the right side, I'm going to draw his wattle, which is that little red piece that comes off their beak. Perfect. All right. Next, let's draw the turkey's body. And I'm going to start here where this line ends, and it's going to curve down and out like this. I'm going to do the same thing on the right. I'm going to curve down and out and connect. There we go. Let me clean up these lines down here. All right. Now we can draw our turkey's wings. So I'm going to start on the left side, right below his neck, and draw a straight line down, and it's going to curve up. And then right in the middle of that curve, I'm going to draw another line down and a curve up. And right in the middle of that curve, I'm going to draw one more curve line around. It almost looks like the letter J. All right, let's do the same on the right. Start up here near his neck. Draw a straight line down and curve. And then a straight line down and curve. And a straight line down and curve. All right. Next step, let's draw his legs. Now I'm going to go on the left side of his body and draw two straight lines down. And then to draw his little toes, I'm going to draw a curved line out. And I'm going to give my turkey three little toes. And on the right side, I'm going to do a line down and a line down and three more toes. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. Next step, let's work on our turkey's tail feathers. I'm going to start his tail feathers up here at the top of his head. I'm going to draw a line up, curved, and around. And then from there, I'm going to start near the top, curve up, and around. And curve up, and around. And I'm going to follow the same pattern all the way around his body. Okay, I'm going to end right about there, kind of about midway down his wing. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the left. And I'm going to try to end right about the same spot that I did on the other side. All right, now let's add some details to these feathers. So I'm going to start in the middle of the feather and draw a straight line out. And this line's going to go about maybe halfway, maybe a little bit more. And I'm going to do that on every feather. Okay. Now you can stop there, or if you want to add some extra details, we can keep going. So on my turkey, I added a little extra detail at the tip of the feather. So I did just a tiny little squiggly line at the top of each feather. So I'm going to do this all the way around. Last one. Awesome. All right, I think our turkey looks great. Now let's color. Our turkey looks amazing, and he's ready for Thanksgiving. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.